How is everybody? Hope everybody's okay. So I went to Taco Bell and I'm trying this new flavor rattlesnake fry. So let's try this. Yeah, I got this not bad. I like it. Oh, yes, good. Not too bad, not too bad. I like it. You got the hot. So it's not bad. Not too bad, I like it. It's starting to get hot though now. Whew.
You want this?
So come on, I'm trying to get the spoon. So switch hands. So now let's really try it. Steak. Not too bad. Got the jalapeno. I like it. It's pretty good.
Look.
And then we got these cinnamon things.
Look at me. Yes. Yes, too.
Here, Ron.
Ron, eat those when you're done. You gonna eat those when you're done, Ron?
But yeah, this is pretty good.
I would if you take it home, if you got 3 hours and see everything in bed. Just eat all of it.
It's really spicy now, a little hot. Whew. You can taste the hot. But this is the new one at Taco Bell's advertisement on TV.
Ron, you got
So this is how
Here, look at
hot.
Ron. Look at me. Yeah.
Ooh, it's hot. Wow.
Is it hot?
Oh, it's hot. Whew. Oh. Not too bad though. Have to give it a 10 though. But anyway, I do like it. But yeah, I recommend this. It's called the steak rattlesnake fry. Not bad. I do like the jalapenos though. Oh, wow. I close. Ooh, it's a little hot.
Ron, it's hot for him.
It does have a bite to it though. Very hot though. But I do recommend it though. Very good. Give it a 10.
Look at that.
Anyway, you guys see what you guys think. Hit that like button. And please subscribe to our channel. Yeah. I'm just trying the new steak rattlesnake fry. So, alright. I'll see you guys next video.
Here, look at how many taco Ron has.
Very good.
Is that good, Ron?